It's a durable light fixture, 10 and an eighth by 25 inches in height, as well as 10 inches in depth. In the back of the unit is your hanging screws and bracket and your wiring. It is a 4E12 socket, bulbs not included, light fixture for outdoor. We're going to show you what the light looks like hung up outside and demonstrate in the evening hours. All weather resistant, open bottom. Place your bulbs in. A maximum of 60-watt bulbs per light fixture. With a swivel pendant, acrylic on 3 sides, metal structure, black polish, a handle type top. Removing the plate is simply removing the 4 screws located 2 on each side. Wire nuts and junction box bolts are included, load and neutral. A maximum of E12 40-watt bulbs. With a wall switch, dimmer switch, control your lights on and off. You have an opening, weather resistant, strong acrylic plastic. It is a large light, and we'll show you what the light looks like at night time. Here we are in the evening hours, lit up. The LED bulbs, 40-watt maximum. The acrylic plastic, heavy duty, 3 sides with the opening. And as you can see, we are moving the light fixture around. Put it in a commercial, residential front by the garage business lighting where you need large window fixture display for your lighting needs. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for in a lighting fixture, enjoy your product if this is right for you.